Blessings. This afternoon I have a very interesting video, and I urged you with adamant supplicate to pay close attention, as in be attentive. Stay with us for all in detail, and remember that it is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety all the way to the end for understanding. So in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. We soon forward. So, is this another case in which some members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force would normally have a tendency to prey on selective civilians or members of the public that, in their own estimate, while policing as a police officer, they look at these individuals based on their lifestyle, and some of these police officers would drum up conclusions or assumptions to say, based on this person's lifestyle, he or she must can afford to pay over some money to the system, because things like these do happen, or this is just another arrogant, illiterate being displaying absurdities. Tell me what y'all think. Just leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Let me know if this was just blatant disrespect on the part of another police officer. Be attentive.
Suck back your mother, him tell me first. Suck back your mother, bright. And I hear mama sting, go suck back your mother, feisty. Can't tell me about my mother, me not tell her back. You abusing a position too much as police. Abusing a position too much. Have you done your friend? You hear your friend say suck back your mother, bright. But suck your mother, bright. Me da right ticket if them are right ticket. Sting. Suck back your mother, outside. Abusing a position too much. Come on, me can't do it. You stink. You can't tell me about under me ugly. You're ugly. I mean, I take on my word. You are very ugly. Ugly blood clot. I know you have to come tell me about my mother. I turn on the camera, I can put on up on my TikTok. I can put on up on my TikTok. That ugly black one then. I can put you up on my TikTok. I can't tell you no. You shut your mouth, you are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. More than me son don't have no heart for people. I don't drive hard same way. Money you know want licky police, so no, me know what you no good. Me know what you no good. I rather pay government than give you no me money. I rather pay government than give you no me money. Licky police, so no, me know what you no good. Licky police, so no, me know what you no good. Me no buy out no me son no hurt the people, that is what I said. You gonna tell me about hurt me, see ugly lie. You gonna tell me about under me, so me say under you, under your mama, bride. You can't come tell me about me mother, me not tell you about no found the police, hungry belly police who don't love people money. I rather give government the money than who no love sweet. Now him tell me about under me mama first, so me tell you back. Now him tell me about under me mama, go suck out under me mother. And me say suck out back under for your mother, that me say. Bride, as a police, I don't know if you conduct yourself, don't squy. Me don't know how you get police work. Bride, me say no hard as police, me say no hard, that me say. But near about me pussy, that thing to do. They tell about under pussy, you can't come under my pussy, I don't know about my pussy, bride. Oh, God. Don't go under me mother, you're too bright. Shut your mouth, you're a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a big liar. I want to catch your face good because she'll put you on TikTok. Right. You are a liar. You're not going to tell me about my mother. I'm going to tell you about your mother. You're all tired. You need to lose your job. You need that dirty black ugly one them in the chat. You don't come tell one man, look where you suck pussy ugly mouth. By your ugly mouth, hungry belly boy. Kill people innocent and you can't control the anger issue. On the police, on the kill innocent people and you can't control the hungry belly anger issues them on the come and road with. Till me I make nobody call me down through the police. I did not tell you about your mother, you tell me first and I tell you about. Jamaica not have no justice, so no police are get away with too much wrongs on do to people. Too much. My video this car good too. You say the one them want to catch you see we are till jail. Can take a special set for my van and I don't know why. If me see my fan mode nigger, anywhere me see me have to tap me van. Everywhere, you see me van, you tap me van. You take a special set for my van, you never see me van and make me van pass you. That black one right there, so. Every time you see me, you take a special set for my van. That one, you. Everywhere you see me, I take it for me.
So, there you have it. And I would like to hear what you have to say. So, leave a comment and make that opinion count down in the comment section. Let me know if my description of the happenings fit the incident. Blessings. Please be reminded that in order for you to get these news items on a daily, then you need to join the family. And it's quite easy. All you have to do is make sure that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way You'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.